I am Hans Alejandria, Science Research Specialist 2 at DOST-PHIVOLCS. For today, we will go through the step-by-step process on how to register for an account in the GeoRiskPH Integrated Platform or GRIP. So, after learning about GeoMapper.ph and the roles of a database manager, have you decided who will be the data manager for your office, LGU, or agency? So let's go through the roles of a data manager again. The role of a data manager is to oversee the enumerators and surveyors. So their duties before the training are to create user accounts for training participants, to remind the members to verify their account through email, to deactivate the accounts of users who should no longer have access to the data, and to upload baseline data or request for layers for data collection in GeoMapper.ph. So once you have decided who the data manager for your office will be, let's now create an account. To create an account, step 1 is to open your browser. So you may use Firefox, Google Chrome, or any other browser. Step 2, type the URL georisk.gov.ph. Once you go to the website, this is the homepage that you will see. In the interface, on the upper right corner, click Guest. Select Register an Account. And in the GeoMapper.ph account, click Register Now. In the registration page, make sure that you select Group and fill in your details. So type your surname, your first name, and your email address. Once you fill in the details, click Next. In page 2, select your affiliation. Just toggle the affiliation drop-down and choose Local Government Unit or LGU. After selecting Local Government Unit, select the region, province, and city or municipality of your LGU. Next, type the name of your office. In the Purpose text box, type Training on the Use of GeoRiskPH Platforms. Next, in the question about MOA, select No. You will see here the summary of information you should fill in. First, select Local Government Unit, and then the region, province, or city/municipality of your LGU, and then the office or division that you belong to, and then type Training on the Use of GeoRisk Platforms in the purpose. Next, make sure to toggle the checkboxes for the privacy policy and the CAPTCHA. After that, click Submit. So the registration process is done. Check your email to verify your account. So in your email inbox or spam folder, check for the GeoMapper.ph request email. Upon account approval, you will receive the email GeoMapper.ph account approval. Check this in your email inbox or spam folder. In case it goes through your spam folder, select Not Spam to move it to your inbox. In the email, click Verify Account and change your password. Now that you know the step-by-step process on how to register for an account in the GeoRisk Integrated Platform, you may now go to georisk.gov.ph and register for your data manager account. Once verified, you may now add the user accounts for the other users in your office. Thank you.